Hi friends, welcome to Delicacies on the Plate. Today I am going to make Szechuan chicken noodles. Initially I am going to fry some boiled eggs. So start to heat up a kadhai and add around 5 to 6 tablespoons of oil to it. In the heated oil, add the boiled eggs. Before adding that, here I am piercing each egg so that the oil doesn't splutter, and fry till you get a nice golden layer on the top of each egg. Toss the egg so that each egg is fried unanimously. This will take around 1 to 2 minutes. Each egg should get a coating like this. When the eggs are done, remove it from the oil in a plate. Now here in the boiled eggs, I am going to marinate the eggs with 1 tablespoon of Szechuan sauce or Szechuan chutney so that it gets the flavor of the Szechuan sauce. Now in the leftover oil, add 1 medium size of onion sliced, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste and 1 tablespoon of ginger paste. Just roughly crush it and add it and toss it up for around a minute. Now herein goes 1 bowl of chopped spring onions. After the spring onions, herein goes 1 serving bowl of juliennes of carrots or thinly sliced carrots. Just add it to the kadhai and toss it up. Toss it up for a minute. After the carrots goes in around 250 grams of boneless chicken. This I have just diced into small pieces, bite-sized pieces. Add it to the kadhai and toss it up for a minute. The chicken pieces will turn whitish in color when it gets cooked. After the chicken pieces are done, goes in around 1 serving bowl of peppers. Toss it up again for a minute. I have kept the flame on a high heat so that the vegetables doesn't lose its crunchiness. After the peppers goes in around 1 big bowl of cabbage. So just add it to the kadhai and toss it up for around a minute. To the kadhai add around 1.5 tablespoon of red chili sauce, followed by 1.5 tablespoon of green chili sauce. Then goes in 2 to 3 tablespoon of soy sauce. Toss it up, mix the sauces along with the vegetables. Add salt to taste. After the salt goes in around 4 to 5 tablespoons of Szechuan sauce. Mix the Szechuan sauce along with the vegetables. Now this is optional. I am adding here around 2 to 3 tablespoons of tomato sauce. I like the flavor of the tomato sauce in the Chinese, so I am adding it. If you want, you can skip it. So mix it well, mix it thoroughly. Add in 3 to 4 tablespoons of vinegar and mix it well. Then goes in the boiled in noodles. How to boil the noodles perfectly, you can refer my previous video. The link is given below in the description box. Now mix in the noodles along with the other ingredients in the kadhai. Mix it thoroughly. When the Szechuan noodle is ready, garnish with greens of spring onion and mix it well. Now while serving along with the egg, I am also going to serve one thin layer of egg omelette. So in a bowl I have taken one egg. Add salt to taste and beat it nicely to mix all the ingredients well. Heat up a non-stick pan and grease it well with 1 teaspoon of oil. Now wipe the oil with one wet tissue paper, so that the pan is well greased. Keep the flame on a low heat. Now pour the egg on the pan and move it circularly so that the egg spreads across the pan nicely. And you can see here a thin layer of omelette has been formed. Just cook for around 30 seconds, that would be enough, and then remove it from the pan. Serve the Szechuan chicken noodles along with this omelette and boiled egg. If you have liked the video, click on the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe for more such delicious recipes on delicacies on the plate.